If you've ever walked into your garden full of pride and left 5 minutes later feeling defeated, you're not alone. Aphids clustered on new growth, mealybugs tucked into leaf joints, ants running supply lines like a military operation. You can spray, wipe, squish and curse, and 2 days later the problem is worse. Chemical pesticides promise control but leave you worrying about your kids touching the leaves, your pets sniffing around, and whether your food is even safe anymore. That frustration is exactly why this method exists. This isn't theory, and it isn't folklore. It's a practical, repeatable solution that serious gardeners can rely on season after season. The one kitchen ingredient that actually kills instead of annoying pests. Most home remedies fail because they irritate insects instead of killing them. Garlic powder is different when used correctly. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur-based compound that breaks down the outer protective layer of soft-bodied insects. Aphids, mealybugs, whiteflies, and even ants dehydrate rapidly once exposed, which is why results are visible in seconds rather than days. What makes garlic special is that it works both as a contact killer and a repellent. After spraying, a thin residue remains on the plant that insects detect and avoid for days. Used properly, it creates a short-term protective shield without poisoning your soil, your food, or your household. The exact recipe and why the measurements matter. This is where most people go wrong. Too weak and it does nothing. Too strong and you scorch your plants. The balance matters. Start with 1 quart of dechlorinated water. Regular tap water contains chlorine, which weakens garlic's active compounds. Let the water sit uncovered for 24 hours before mixing. Add exactly 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Do not substitute garlic salt or fresh garlic. Garlic salt damages plants, and fresh garlic varies too much in strength. Add 1 tablespoon of mild, unscented dish soap. The soap is not the killer, it's the carrier. It helps the solution spread evenly and stick to insects instead of beating off the leaves. Start by mixing the water and garlic powder first, stirring steadily for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything is fully suspended. Next, gently stir in the dish soap. Once that's done, pour the mixture directly into a spray bottle. No need to strain it. Those fine garlic particles actually help improve contact and boost effectiveness. Timing matters just as much as the recipe. Spray early in the morning or late in the afternoon when temperatures are cooler and sunlight is low. Spraying during midday sun can cause leaf burn because garlic oils intensify heat stress. Hold the sprayer about 8 to 12 inches from the plant and coat the leaves until you see light droplets forming. Always flip the leaves and spray the undersides. This is where most aphids and mealybugs live and reproduce. Spray stems, leaf joints, and the soil surface around the base of the plant, especially if you notice ants are present. One application kills active insects, but it does not stop eggs from hatching. Spray again on day 6 and once more on day 11. This schedule interrupts the life cycle and prevents reinfestation. After that, most gardens stay pest-free for about 2 to 3 weeks. Delicate leafy greens, like lettuce and spinach, prefer a lighter mist rather than heavy coverage. Use the standard mix, but spray lightly every 5 days. Fruit trees, tomatoes, peppers, and squash tolerate full coverage and really benefit from spraying stems and the surrounding soil. For ornamentals like roses and hibiscus, you can increase the garlic powder to 1.5 tablespoons per quart during peak infestations. Always rinse edible crops before harvest and stop spraying 3 days before picking fruit to avoid any lingering garlic flavor. For larger garden beds, just scale the recipe evenly. 5 quarts of water, 5 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 5 tablespoons of dish soap work well in a pump sprayer. After heavy rain, be sure to reapply because the protective layer washes away. Garlic spray works best as part of a system. Healthy plants resist pests better than stressed ones. Proper watering, good drainage, and balanced feeding really help reduce vulnerability. Companion planting also plays a role. Herbs like basil, mint, cilantro, and lemongrass naturally repel soft-bodied insects. Planted near susceptible crops, they reduce pressure before spraying is even necessary. New plants are another common source of outbreaks. Quarantine nursery plants for a week and spray them twice before introducing them to your garden. This single habit prevents most surprise infestations. If a plant is completely overrun, act fast. First, hose it down with a strong stream of water to knock off the majority of insects. Second, prune heavily infested sections and discard them. Third, spray thoroughly with the garlic solution, covering every surface. Spray again the next day, then follow the normal schedule. Isolate the plant for 2 weeks. In most cases, this approach eliminates even severe infestations. So, why does this work long-term and actually save real money? Store-bought sprays are expensive, slow, and often toxic. This garlic method costs just pennies per batch and works immediately. A single bottle of garlic powder can last an entire season. More importantly, it doesn't harm beneficial insects when used properly, and doesn't contaminate soil or food. Over hundreds of home gardens, this approach consistently outperforms chemical options for aphids and mealybugs. Gardening doesn't have to be a constant battle with bugs or chemicals. When you understand what actually kills pests and how to apply it correctly, control becomes simple and safe. If this guide helped you, subscribe to Nature's Fix for more proven no-nonsense gardening solutions. Share this with someone who's ready to give up on their plants. One spoon in a few minutes might save their entire season.